In order for you to make money with Quora, you need ChatGPT and Quora.com. So I'm going to show you how you can make money in Ghana with ChatGPT and Quora. So stay tuned. First of all, you have to know the niche you are going into. Maybe you want to do the fitness niche, um, business niche, finance. We have all the niches, the gaming, everything. So you have to find the niche you want to do first. Then you create an account on Quora. You log in and you follow these steps I'm going to give you in order for you to make money in Ghana 2024. After you're done picking your niche, you go to WhatsApp Meta AI and type and tell it to write an article for whatever niche you are doing. So in my case, I'm writing an article for making money online with YouTube. So as you can see, it has provided a script I can use on Quora for free. You don't even need to read it, everything is correct inside. So all you just need to do is to copy it and to paste it in your notes. Yes, so this is it. After you copied the script that Meta AI has given you, you paste it in your notes. Yeah, we are going to add some little things there. So since I picked the making money with YouTube niche, my goal is to make people watch my videos. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be pasting my video links somewhere around the script so I can put it anywhere. Maybe here I can put it there. Maybe https / www. Yes, so I can be pasting my links like this around the script so that when people see, to think, oh yeah, maybe this will help me and the rest. So they'll click on it, they'll watch your video. You've gotten views and maybe subscribers. Some will subscribe if they find a video helpful. So this is the same link you'll be posting around the scripts. I can post one here, post one here, post one here, post one here. You can even put more different types of videos there for them, but still related to the same topic, so you get more views. So after you're done putting or inserting your affiliate link to any platform or your YouTube channel link, what you want to do is to copy the whole thing. Select on copy. When you've logged in, you can okay, so click on, after you finish copying it, click on create post, then you paste the script there. Yeah, after I pasted the script there, you're gonna click on post and you see successfully posted. It's going to be reviewed and posted, and anyone that reads it will maybe end up clicking on your link, watching your video, maybe buying the product. So this strategy is really good for affiliate marketing, affiliate marketers. So I hope this video was useful. Please subscribe and like for more videos like this. Thank you.